Hello all you hellraisers. I got a specific video for y'all today. Alright. So what I'm making today is a sex on a beach. I'm finally getting to it. It's one of my favorite mixed drinks of all time. So you're probably wondering what goes into this drink. Well, it's one of the most fruity drinks, but it's also a really good drink to start off with. It's also a good drink to get fucked up with. It's a built drink. You build it, which means basically you put the ice in it and you build your drink, and you don't have to do no stirring, no shaking, no nothing. Build drinks are easiest to make because they got the variety of complex recipes, but it's easy because you just got to build it. I'm using Sky vodka, one of my favorite vodkas besides Smirnoff, and got some orange juice, cranberry juice, and peach schnapps. Peach schnapps is gives it a more orange flavor. You can garnish this with cherries or oranges. I have neither, so we're not doing a garnish, but we are doing a mixed drink. I know it's been a while since I've done a mixed drink video, but here we go. So first of all, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna layer it and stack it. That way we can get a firm kick from it. So first we're gonna put our vodka in it, about a half an ounce, or an ounce and a half per se. Ooh, but it's not pour that too much. You see it coming right here. See it? So it's pretty cool, pretty grand. And then we're gonna add the orange juice. This one's got pulp. You don't have to have pulp. I like pulp just personally. It makes it a more fantastic drink. It doesn't matter what order you do this in. I do it this way because the alcohol's not all at the bottom. You get what I mean? You can stir this if you want to. I recommend stirring it just to mix the flavors in really well. About an ounce and a half of this, peach schnapps as well. You can also just do an ounce or half an ounce. However strong you want this. If you want it strong, I recommend, you can always ask your bartender to make it strong or weak. It's up to you. Okay. And then you top it off with cranberry juice. That's it. That's literally all it is. Look at that beauty. Look at that. You can see it mixing with it. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Let's give it a little stir and test it out for the hellraisers. Oh my God, look at that. That looks fantastic. This is a perfect summer drink, guys, and as you know, it is summertime. So that is damn delicious. It's a good lunch drink too, and it's lunchtime right now. But like and comment down below, subscribe, tell your friends about us, the Hellraisers. This year is a very important year for us because we started ghost hunting. Hadn't done it because of the rain. We've been getting rain on and off, and just hadn't found a good time to do a good video yet. But it will be soon. Also look out for another video dropping out this week too. We're gonna drop out 2 this week. King Kong versus Godzilla movie review coming up, so be aware of that. But yeah, just came out yesterday actually, but it's a really good drink, really good movie. But until next time, if you want more drinks like this, fruity drinks, or any recommendations, let me know, or any questions about drinks, let me know as well, because I have my own little bar, and I've been practicing mixology for about 2 years now. Well, 3 years now. So there's that. Plus, I helped Mom get her bartending license. So, with that further ado, stay frosty. Till next time, Hellraisers.